Hello and welcome back, G-Man here. Sorry I haven't made many videos in a while, but been really busy. I'm reorganizing the studio. It's in process as we speak. Put up some shelving for some synths on the wall, and I've been trying to source this 4-foot table that you see here. Picked up a little stand for a laptop, so I'm going to be using that for a drum machine. And I've also been prototyping a new module. Been working on my SH2 now for a couple of months, and I have been testing this on the breadboard and decided I wanted to go ahead and make a few modules, and let's have a listen and see what's going on with that. Here's the prototype board that I did to test out the SH2 filter. I had some BA662 chips laying around, and it turned out that half of those were bad, but these chips have been the bane of my existence. Turns out the chips I ordered from activeparts online also didn't work for this purpose, nor these clones that I got from synth. So they actually caught fire when I tried it in my circuit. Of course, I changed the pinouts because the pinouts are different between the 662 and the 6110. So that's my SH2-VCF prototype. I hate waving around something like this in front of people that you can't buy, and I probably won't be able to make anymore until I figure out why my 6110 chips aren't working, or where to find some ones that will work for my purpose. I have these PCBs laying around. I ordered quite a few so that I could build a few for you guys, but turns out the way things look, I won't be able to make any more for now until I find any working chips.